Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm looking crazy because I'm still retightening his hair, but I just wanted to come on and show you something else. So I'm working on this section right here. So in my crown, a lot of times the hair will grow, some of the hair will grow outside of the base of the lock. So I have to make sure I incorporate it back into the base of the lock. So I wrap it around the base and then retighten. Same thing for my edges, like all around these edges, it gets fuzzy and the hair grows outside the base of the lock. So every time I retighten my hair, I have to reincorporate that back inside the base of the lock. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's see if I can show you. Okay, let me zoom in. All right, you see this right here? This hair grows, supposed to be inside of that lock. Okay, so this hair goes in this lock. It grows outside of it. It just does. I don't know why. So I'm going to show you what I do to address that. And one of the reasons why, the main reason why you need to do that, you need to make sure that you are incorporating the hair back into the base of the lock, is because you want to keep the integrity of the base of the lock. You don't want your locks to be thinning, because you'll look up and you'll be having thin spots in your locks because you haven't been incorporating that loose hair back into the base of the lock. Another thing too, that's why it's important to keep up with your retightenings on your tightening schedule. So for me, I have to keep up with my retightenings every 5 weeks. I clockwork. I just make the time to get it done in the amount of time that it normally takes me, which is like 4 to 5 days, an hour or two every day. I schedule that in. The longer that I go, the more hair I'm going to have growing in between the locks. And it's going to be harder for me to retighten my hair because I can't see in certain areas, but I can feel it. So if I stay on top of my schedule, that also helps with that. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Okay, sorry. So let me show you. So here's the lock. Here's the hair that's growing outside of it. Okay, so I take the hair and I wrap it around the base of the lock. Do you see what I'm doing? Do you guys see? So I wrap it around. Okay, now I've incorporated it back. Now you retighten as you normally would. So, like I mentioned before, my ears are my marker. So I'm going to go starting this way, going in this direction. So I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go up, back out the way, and then down. This is my side part. It's over here. So all this hair is going to be laying this direction. So I'm going to make sure I end in a downward direction. But I'm going to enter going that way. So I've already incorporated around. So now let me get started. Okay. And get my head down so you guys can see. Okay, so that's one. I'm going up. Then I come back. Then I come and I go down. Oops, it wasn't in there. Okay, now see, this is that hair. That's that hair that I incorporated back into. It's wrapped around it. But see, now it's all in there. And my block is all one size. I don't have any thinning. So that is something that's very important, you guys. And this is tight enough. Actually, I can do another half rotation. Yeah, I can. So let me do another half rotation, and then I'll be done. So I'm going to go in this way. Okay. And then I'm going to go down. Okay, now it is done, it's secure, but it's not too tight. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that in my crown, certain areas like right here, every time I have to always do that. I know I'm gonna have to do some also in the middle of my head. I was finding some areas where I had like, see, look at that, you see that, this hair that's growing all in between. I'm gonna have to go and take it and make sure I incorporate those little strands and stuff, wrap it around the base, and then retighten. You don't want to ignore that because you'll end up with thinning. So if you have that and you've been maintaining your own hair, that may be the reason why. That's just something else I picked up from my own experience. Okay, guys, so let me get to work so I can at least finish this tonight. Wash my face. Go to bed. I already went to kickboxing, so I'm kind of tired and worn down. It was a good day. I thank God for that. I hope you guys had a blessed day. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll keep coming on making these little short videos to help you all out with your journey, because these things have really helped me to be able to have healthy locks, and I want to make sure that I'm sharing the tips and tricks that I've learned with you. Okay, I'm looking crazy. So let me sign off, you guys. Bye. Take care. Bye.